Imagine a world where you can turn a mere $10 into a consistent daily income of $2. This is the power of technology. With a revolutionary AI trading bot, you can engage in trading without the stress, knowledge, or skills typically required. Picture yourself enjoying financial freedom while the bot works tirelessly for you, executing trades and leveraging market signals around the clock. The journey begins with a simple step: depositing $10 on a reputable trading platform like Binance or Pionex. Visualize the moment as your funds seamlessly transfer to your trading account. The ease of this process is staggering, as it only takes a few clicks to set yourself up for potential earnings. Throughout this journey, remember that simplicity is key. No complicated strategies or minutes wasted in front of a computer. Next, watch as you connect the AI trading bot to your account. It's like having a skilled trader at your disposal 24/7. The bot activates, analyzing real-time market signals, and executes buying and selling actions in your favor. You can envision the bot performing flawlessly, balancing trades while you relax or focus on other things in life. The dynamic animation of buy, sell buttons showcases the action happening in the background, while you experience the thrill of hands-free trading. With only a week past, excitement turns to cash in hand as you almost recoup your initial investment. The dollar signs accumulate. A steady flow of daily passive income unfolds before your eyes. A graph trending upwards serves as a vivid representation of your growing wealth, emphasizing both consistency and the wisdom of auto trading. Imagine tracking your bot's success and realizing this journey presents an effortless income stream. As you consider setting up your own bot, an urge rises to take control of your financial destiny. You'll find it easy to engage and activate this robot. Simply comment, "I want the bot," and you're on your way to automated earnings, glancing towards a prosperous future. Invite a community of like-minded individuals to follow along on this venture, inspired by the prospect of earning through cutting-edge technology. Connect with others who share this aspiration and encourage their journey by providing them with the tools they need to succeed.